Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have the Toshiba Satellite C850. I'm going to show you how to disassemble the bottom half, take out the battery, show you where the hard drive is, take out the CD drive, give you access to the touchpad and take out the keyboard. On my one, I figured out that you can upload Windows 10 on this computer as Microsoft was giving us a free update, so I thought why not give it a try. It's an old laptop, I've had it for ages. Let's get straight into it.